guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making old-fashioned country style green beans. To do that, you're going to need some green beans. I have 2 packs of 12-ounce fresh washed and trimmed green beans. We have 1 small onion diced. We have some diced ham and some bacon, 3 slices of bacon. We have some butter, Shelly's house seasoning, and some chicken bouillon. So guys, let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to move over to the stove, and what we're going to do is brown up some bacon. Alright, and from there, we'll just follow the steps and just keep going. Alright, so now let's get our bacon in our pan. And I slice these bacons into small bits. I like to cook the bacon because the bacon brings out so much flavor when it's cooked instead of putting it in raw. These are going to be amazing country style old-fashioned green beans, guys. Get your bacon in there. I'm just going to show you how to easily achieve this flavor that you get when you get an old style, country style green beans like Grandma used to make. So I'm just going to give you an easier way when they be in the kitchen all day on Sunday morning making ground down string beans, snapping them peas, and they cooked all day. No, it's not going to cook all day. It's going to give you that same thing. Alright. So when this crisp up, I'll be right back. Okay, so now we got our bacon all cooked up. Now we're going to go in with the ham. Get that in there. And sweat our ham out just a little bit. And we're going to go in with our mostly stick of butter. And our onion. You didn't already know, we're building flavor. We're building flavor. So we're going to sweat our onions out just a tad, just to make sure that we get that onion flavor through and through along with that butter. Alright, just like this. Amazing. And what, our green beans. Green beans. Down in there just like so. And we're going to end with some can't get the top up. Some chicken bouillon, about a tablespoon. Remember, that stuff is salty, but it gives amazing chicken flavor. Now, if you don't have this, chicken broth will work. And we're going in with Shelly's house seasoning or your favorite all-purpose seasoning, or just maybe some salt and pepper and a little garlic. Alright, that's in there. And we're going to go in with a few cups of water. It does not take long to put these on. You want to kind of cover the green beans with water. Just like so. And I promise you, making them like these, you won't want them any other way, and they will just achieve Big Mama's dream. Having delicious green beans. Now we're going to put the lid on and just let it go. That's it. When we come back, we're going to give it a taste for seasoning if we need to adjust, or maybe we don't. I don't think so, but if we do, we'll adjust. Alright. Alright, guys. So our green beans have been cooking up for about 45 minutes. Maybe an hour. I'm going to test it. Give it a taste for seasoning. They're so tender already. Look at that. Oh yeah, these are delicious, and they tender. I don't need any more seasoning. I'm just gonna put the lid back on and let it go for another 15 minutes. When we come back, we're gonna plate that baby up. Alright guys, so these are green beans. Absolutely amazing. To go in and give it a taste test. Grab some of that ham and some of that bacon. Look at that. Grandma would be so proud. My mom would be so proud. Now, if you don't eat ham, you can always swap this out for some turkey. And turkey bacon, or the whole smoked turkey leg, still would be amazing. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while you're down there. Hit that, while you're there, in the description box, all the ingredients are there. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time Shelly makes some of these awesome, delicious meals. Alright guys, I'll see y'all guys in the next video.